Hello. Got the window open. I need to make dinner, do some dishes, put some stuff away. Have you ever seen a quail egg? See how little it is? Where's the chicken egg? They don't have a chicken egg. They're in the chicken coop. It's smaller than a quarter. It's cute. What you been up to? Haven't had very many comments lately. Feeling kind of lonely. We just took a big impromptu walk, and by impromptu walk I mean the dog got out of the fence and then Tanner went to follow him and then we had to follow Tanner.
Wow.
Where's Tanner?
Wow.
Hey, where's Tanner?
He's still outside playing.
Okay, go outside and watch him, love.
Wow, we got a lot of quail eggs.
I know. Go watch him, love.
Maybe I shouldn't save those quail eggs.
Hey, go watch him. Wave 5. Go watch him.
I don't want to. I'm never watching him.
Yeah, you're a good boy. You're a good helper. Just make sure he doesn't go into the road.
I know he won't go into.
That's not true. Okay, well, he's in now. So go shut the door. Maybe we'll make some juice. Because my juicer is clean.
Can I scare you? You never scared me.
Tyler, be nice. Be nice. Tyler, be nice.
We should never crack quail eggs again.
We should what?
Never crack quail eggs again.
Why? They're delicious.
So
Want some strawberries?
So,
Yeah, in your tummy?
I want some lots and lots. And when it's my birthday, we can have them. For everyone.
That one's yucky. Well, I don't think they're going to last that long, love. Here, Mommy, cut some for in a bowl, love.
How about until Christmas?
No, it definitely won't last that long. Your birthday's only a month away, love.
How about some until someone comes over?
Scoot, love. Come on, get down.
Beep, beep, beep. You mean some Tanner can get up here?
No, I mean so I can get a knife out of the drawer.
Beep, beep. Yeah, that's a sharp.
Yes,
That's sharp,
that's the
too.
sharp knife drawer. Yes, yes, it's got sharp knives in it. I'm getting them, love. Can I put them in here? What is it about strawberries from the store that make them go bad so fast? Sometimes I'm just thankful my kids eat half of them before we leave the store. Because otherwise... So I should just grow your own. Can't wait until mine come in. You want more? You all done? Or go pick your own. I love picking your own. We did that with blueberries last year. It was so yummy. So fun. And because I had somebody go with me. And they just took the kids and I just sat there. Okay. That's all of them. Okay, I've showed you the mess around my house. It's kind of getting to me. Trying to grow out my bangs, so that's a mess. My backyard's a mess. My garden's a mess. My back porch is a mess. My front porch is a mess. My house is a mess. This is the mess video. I'm just gonna tell you all the messes around my house. I just want an iced tea and go sit in my chair. So maybe that's all. I need to get some tea. Hold on, I'll be right back.